Hello, welcome to Swarup Ki Rasoi. Today I'm going to make a broccoli and potato dish. It's very simple and quick to make and also very tasty. It can be eaten either on its own or even with chapati or paratha or rice. Hope you like my recipe. If you like my recipe, do not forget to click like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Wash and slit potatoes and place them in the microwave and cook on full power for 5 minutes initially. Then turn the potatoes over and cook for further 4 minutes on full power. Wash and chop the broccoli as shown in the video. You do not need to throw away the stem. You can peel out the external part and use the central core of the stem by cutting it in small pieces. Separate the florets and cut the stem of the florets in small pieces. Then add salt as per taste. Sprinkle some water over it and cook on full power for 7 minutes initially. Then check by tossing it and cook further as required. When the broccoli is cooked, it can be easily cut with the edge of a spoon. While the potatoes and broccoli are cooking, finely chop ginger and green chilies in an electric chopper. Peel and chop the potatoes into cubes. Slice the cheese as shown in the video. It will crumble. If you want to look more professional, you can grate it, but this is simpler and quicker. And the result is the same. Chop the onion longitudinally into 2 halves and then transversely into further 2 and then slice it as shown in the video. The slices should be of moderate thickness and not too thin. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan and add the onions. Saute for a couple of minutes. Then add the finely chopped ginger and green chili which you have prepared and saute for further 1 minute. Then add the cooked broccoli. Mix it well and then add the chopped potatoes. Mix it well together and saute for another minute. Then add the chopped cheese. Spread it evenly on the top and allow to cook covered till the cheese all melts. Then give it a good stir and transfer it to a serving bowl and enjoy the delicious broccoli dish. It is best eaten warm. It can be eaten on its own or even is a good accompaniment to any of the Indian breads or rice.